the feel of a book in your hands. The only thing better is when the book in your hands is one that you wrote. In this video, I want to show you an easy way to bind a manuscript. This is a great way to archive a finished work in a way that lasts and it looks good on a shelf. It's also a quick way to make a book out of a work in progress. The trick is to use a spring-back binder, also known as a thesis binder. They're easy to work with, they're sturdy and durable, and they present well. I discovered these when I wrote my thesis. They're designed for a thesis or a dissertation, but they'll work with any longer manuscript. A spring binder is easier to use than a 3-hole binder or coil binding. You don't have to do any work to drive holes through the pages. Plus, without any holes, the pages aren't going to tear from the repeated page turns. The metal clamp inside these binders is strong and resilient. Have a professional book-like look to them with a faux leather finish. They're usually black, but other colors are available. To load the binder, all you need to do is pull back on the clamp. It's sturdy, so you do need to use some force. Remove the sleeve and place the pages inside it. Then, you slide the stack into the binder, let the clamp down on the pages, and you're done. It's a little tricky at first, but overall, it's faster and easier. Because it's so easy to bind and unbind the pages, I found thesis binders very useful for working with a script. Or, for a novel, this could be for you or your early readers. They can write whatever notes on the pages of the bound manuscript. You can collect the binder's notes later, revise, reprint, and rebind it again, ready for the next revision. The speed comes in handy, especially at scale. And because they're so sturdy, they do cost a little more at around $30, but they'll last a lifetime or longer. I put links in the description if you'd like to pick one up. I should mention that I'm not sponsored or anything. This is just something useful, so I thought to share it. The links provide a small commission to support the channel at no extra cost to you. Spring binders can fit paper stacks of 1-2 inches or more. For reference, 150 printed pages is roughly 1 inch thick. A4-sized binders can also work with letter-sized pages, or you could choose letter-sized binders. Well, there you have it. And now you know how to use a spring-back binder. You can make a professional-looking manuscript and update it fast. Thanks for watching, and I hope your writing goes well.